Hello viewers, welcome to my channel iTech Solution. Today I will discuss on Excel topic which is called number formats. This is topic on the number formats in Excel. So this is the root of all Excel calculations and Excel sheets, and Excel cell is nothing but a design only to show data without the number format. So this suppose this is a number, but how it will recognized by the Excel? Because of this number format, because it is assigned the number format. These are the list of the number format where it is understand what I have to design, what we have to do on this basis of this format. And if we do not assign any format, then the calculation will not be accurate as per our choice or action. So suppose this is number, this is another number, then I can sum it with auto sum. So this is auto sum and it is doing these things. But if I will change it to a name, suppose this is 66, it will not sum this because it is not the number format which I have told earlier. According to this format, although it is general, it is not understand the number as per this values given here. So it is automatically identified the number. Yes, see here, automatically identified number, and it does the. So these are the importance. You see the importance of number format. And first of all, I will discuss this one by one to understand these things. What are the difference and why we need these things to change in every time whatever we are to do on this Excel sheet. First of all, you see this is no specified format, that is it is automatically understand whatever we do with the number or with the text. This is called general format. And second thing is number. If I will change it to a number, then what will happen? There is decimal place here, that is it count as a decimal, either non-decimal or decimal number. So that can happen with the number format. This is, and I can do this format. Here is that it is automatically give this decimal position and format is changed to the number, because the source of this formula are on decimal numbers and the sum is automatically given is a decimal number. So the number format. So hence the two options are clear, that one have the facilities of decimal or with the calculation of different position of the decimal with this number format, and another format general where number and text are given as per our design or requirement. So this is the number format here because of this value sum. Next thing is if you want to this show with the dollar sign, what is called, this is called currency format. If we convert this, then it will have a dollar or rupee symbols here. You see, this is formatting change to the currency format, and which is nothing but one rupee symbol or dollar symbol is required. But if we change it to suppose accounting, then it will same property, having the same property, but the rupee symbol have a separate column as shown as specified in this cell. Yes, you see this, there is a gap between dollar and diamond. But in case of currency, the gap is nothing. There is the no gapping in this value. And the following example is here. This is a currency format, and this is a dollar accounting format. But there is no difference in the sum because I have applied this. You see, I will sum this. It will give this currency format, and sum is appropriate. So that is in case of calculation, there is no difference between currency and accounting. But in symbolic format, it is given as dollar symbol with a specific symbolized format. Next, I will show you the format of the next format is short date, and there is a date format here. If we change it to date format, then anything I have written is changed to a formation of date. You see 66. Suppose I will type 77. It will be if Sujan has short date. Yes, it is goes to the initialization of date format, and you see the number of this date is here. Yes, this is the formation of date format. It changes to the formation of a date. And in case of long format, there is the days, the date is written in the long format with the month name, with the day name. So there is the difference of this. And if I will write today's date, suppose I will cancel it and write today's date, today. It is the long format, and I can change it format is a short date. Yes, it is the short date format, and the month is here, and that day is here in between this, and here is there. So these are the options to the long and short date format. And whatever we calculate this on date, then we should always convert to the date format and examine that it whatever it is in date format or not. Next is the time. If we want to calculate on a certain things with time, then we should define as time format. So suppose this is 777, that is 12. If we convert this to a time, it will as soon as change to the AM symbol. Yes, it gives the symbol AM. That is, it is time format. So you see this general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, and time is now I am doing this thing with the AM number. And similarly, I go to the percentage form. Suppose we want to write as 6% here. Yes, it is. But if we convert to this to a specified percentage symbol, then we write here 6 and go to the format percent. Yes, it is given as this, because if 6% will be reflected with 6 is reflected with the percentage symbol, then it should be reflected as this 600.00%. So it is called percentage. And anything number you type here, if we convert to percent, but that it will read as percentage. Yes, it should be as this. And next thing I will show is the fraction. Yes, if I have a number, suppose 5, in fraction, what will be the fraction in the form of fraction? What will be the value? Yes, 5 have suppose 6.5. Yes, it is. If I have 6.5, then it should be shown as this. Yes, I said it to general format. Oh, sorry, this is 5.5. And if 5.5 will be shown in form of fraction, it will convert it this. Yes, 5.5. You see here. So whenever you need to this such type of display in your Excel sheet, then you should go to the number format and give the fraction. And another format of giving is scientific notation. Suppose 50 5040. If you convert this to a scientific notation, what will be in the screen? See here. Yes, this will be the position. That is, we have to add. You see, we have to add 5 with exponent form of the 10 to the power the value, whatever the value is given. Yes, and for general, yes, that is the 10th position with exponent and the remaining with the number value, that is 4. So that is that is automatically converted with a exponent symbol here. It is all scientific, and formation is here. And the last one is here given is the text format. Whatever you see, if I will have to type number and D, that is it has nothing to do with sum, plus, divide, etc. So it should be always in the text format. And you see here, this is text, that is 6 is suppose it is text, so that it has the formation is always representing text format. So that is no number properties, so it is option. In case of text format, there is not possible to the sum of these text values. So you see applying this sum formula here. Yes, so it is not going to sum here. Automatically it results the value 6 plus 7 cannot be a sum with the text field. So that is the difference between number and text format. And I hope the idea of this number difference between this number format is okay now, and it can help you to solve more problems in future of course of time. And you see here this symbol is also the direct effect of number format. This is dollar accounting format, this is percentage format, this is the number or more number format is here. These are the format which I have already discussed here. So thank you guys for viewing this video, and I think it will help a lot to solve more and more problems. Thank you.